ever wondered why there's a calmness in the atmosphere when it is the month of December? See, but you know, you may have lived all these whatever years you've lived and you've never noticed that though people may be working, the atmosphere is calm. Why? Because the spirits of men have entered into calmness. Somehow there's a dictation of December. It's Christmas, it's holidays. We're going to see what, we're going to see what, we're going to have parties and what. So the spirits of men have already predicted that season as a calm season. And so you begin November, they begin playing, some Christmas songs along the street, and you get in the mood. And your November is calm, and your December is calm. And now, I tell you, man, now the new year of struggle. January enters, says it is serious now, school fees. What changed in January that wasn't in November? The systems and the things that man put in place to release a certain peace in a season and the turmoil in another, or just a fighting spirit. I wish you knew these things. You would know. You would know. What changed when they announced a public holiday? The day before, everyone, you'd feel the intensity in town or the intensity in a location. People, you don't need to observe. You can tell. You can tell there's certain intensity. You're not seeing people, but they are spirits. It says God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in the spirit. For he said, in Genesis, he says, let us make man in our own image. That means God made you and me in his image. And you know that God is a spirit. So we do not need to see physical people to know the kind of activity that they are engaged in. Those kinds of activities are already in the realm of the spirit. You can just sense in a certain place, this place, these people do this. You can enter a certain region and know the certain region of people here are unemployed. Or there's some wicked thing that people here participate in. And now you've got to realize, because you see, if you're very observant about spiritual things, you will know this. You will know that a Monday came and it was work. They declared Tuesday public holiday, and you woke up on Tuesday and you are feeling calm. What changed? You've got to realize that what changed is the activity in the spirit. It is the activity in the realm of the spirit that changed. And you know that men are active even when they seem to be seated somewhere. They are working. They're active. The spirits of men, they don't rest. And so we know that these are systems that have been put in place to make you do the things that they want you to do. But you see, you can have a different day. Glory to God. You can have a different day.